Archie, say hi. Hi, camera. Hi, camera. I don't know what's in the oh. I don't know why that's in the way. Let's go Buffalo. Let's go Buffalo. Let's go Buffalo. Touchdown! Touchdown! Okay, we're gonna eat some puffs. What's today's date? Today is January 13th. Daddy just got home from work. We're gonna try, let's see. So when you look at this video when you're older, you can see what the container looks like. Mommy ripped it. Banana whole grain puffs. Alright, Daddy, come on. Let's turn down. Yeah. Let's turn down the TV. Okay, here comes Daddy. We can try puffies. Alright, Daddy's gonna give you some puffs. Daddy ate the puff. See, it disintegrates in your mouth. No, babe, put it on the table. She's supposed to use her fingers to pick it up. Good job. Pick it up.
Watch Daddy.
Can you lower that? That's loud. Go ahead. She got it. Eat it. Go ahead, baby. God bless you, Daddy. Yay.
Yummy.
You can eat it, Haley. It's okay. Uh-oh. She dropped it. Mommy's going to steady the camera by putting it on the counter.
Uh-oh. She doesn't realize it's food.
Here, look. Mommy help you. Open. Mmm.
Yummy. Was that good? Try another one. Look, Daddy's got one. Look. Where's yours? Where's yours? Where is it? You have one in here?
Sit her up a little. I don't want her to choke. Mommy's gonna help you. Mommy lost the puff. I'm sorry. A toy just popped out. I need to get another one of these.
Are you ready? I'll give you another one.
Put a couple on and let her play. Good.
Zoom in on that.
Hey!
Eat them up. Eat them up, baby. Okay.
She's so excited. She keeps losing them. Woo! Sorry. I'm sorry, Haley. Want another one in your mouth?
I'll try.
Why? No, I just put one in her mouth, honey.
Is that good?
She keeps going. No, babe. That's not how they get eaten. She has to learn how to use her fingers.
She doesn't know it's food yet, though.
She'll learn. That's how they learn.
She's drooling everywhere.
You need some
Is
sips
that
of
alright?
water? Here. Okay.
You could open your hands. So big. So big. You got it? Uh-oh.
We're doing the right thing, aren't we? We should sell.
Oh, still rough.
Of course we're doing the right thing, sweetheart. Sir, it is my esteemed pleasure to introduce Mr. and Mrs. Donald Trump. Oh my God!
You got it?
Mr. and Mrs. Trump, it's an honor to
Num 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 num. Num 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 num. Chew it up.
I got a rich uncle, but Donald Trump.
I like keeping some old people.
Hi, Hillary Banks. Yeah, you look much richer in person.
You want to try one more?
Well, Smith, great house here. And this is really good for it, too. You see what? You want another 50 grand? I 50 grand for every cent of it.
But folks, before we go too far, I've got something to tell you.
Excuse me, but I've got something to tell you first. Thank you for ruining my life.
Ashley!
You did.
Everybody's always blaming me for everything.
No, sit down. Sign some papers. Thanks. There's a little mistake. Trump's nephew grew up at 508 St. Cloud's.
I thought our address was 805 St. Cloud Road. Yeah, Hillary.
Very embarrassing. Apparently I inverted the numbers. I don't know what to say except I'm sorry. That makes two of us.
Well, that's business. Let's go down the street. I've got cash.
Chew it. Num 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 num. Num num num. Chew it up.
Donald Trump walked in and you said, Donald, where is he?
Num, num, num.
He'll be the guy carrying $1 million in cash. And you heard me say it. Oh, well, I guess this makes you very happy.
Say cheese. Say cheese. Say hi. Hi. Say hi.
I guess deep down inside, none of us really wanted him.
Hi. Num 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 num.
Of course, Junior Des Moines is great this time of year. Number one. Fiber. This pie is an excellent source of fiber. There's no fiber in there. It's just too good. They have 35% of your daily value. Oh, samples. Fiber one. Cardboard, no. Delicious, yes.
I was 14 when I was murdered.
Very sorry.
My father
Well,
had the pieces
you can start eating the sweet potatoes, taking a little longer than normal.
You need evidence.
You got it. You got it. Where is it? Where did it go?
Is my cable TV tax deductible?
Where's your puff? There it is. Eat it. Num 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 num.
Can I claim my 30-year-old
Whoop.
as independent?
Whatever your question, however you want to do your taxes.
Kitchen remodeling. Is that a write-off?
H&R Block gives you the flexibility to work on
Can I get some BBQ sauce?
Yes, you may. Haley, are you all done? Are you happy?
Introducing the biggest taste of McDonald's since the Big Mac. Everything you crave in Big Mac wrapped up in a warm flour tortilla. After all, why should the sesame seed buns have all the fun? The new
More? More?
You get vaccine relief that lasts up to 16 hours with permanent guarantee rounds. 8 hours while you wear it, plus an additional 8 hours of relief after you take it off.
Maybe we can figure like something out.